Hello, welcome to my new video on how you can make money on YouTube every day. Before going to the topic, can you please subscribe to this channel? In today's digital age, making money on YouTube has become a popular and lucrative endeavor for many individuals. With over 2 billion active users each month, YouTube offers endless opportunities for content creators to monetize their videos and generate income. Whether you're a budding YouTuber looking to turn your passion into profit or a seasoned creator seeking to boost your earnings, understanding the strategies and techniques for monetizing your YouTube channel is key to success. In this video, I will explore some proven methods on how to make money on YouTube. 1. Creating quality content. The first step in making money on YouTube is to create high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Whether you're a blogger, a gamer, a chef, or a beauty enthusiast, it's essential to focus on producing videos that are both entertaining and informative. By consistently delivering valuable content, you can build a loyal following and attract more viewers to your channel.
2. Joining the YouTube Partner Program. To start earning money on YouTube, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program. This program enables content creators to monetize their videos through advertisements, channel memberships, merchandise shelves, and more. To be eligible, your channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once accepted into the program, you can enable monetization on your videos and start generating revenue.
4. Enable monetization on your videos. Once you're approved for the YouTube Partner Program, you can start earning money from your videos. To enable monetization, go to your YouTube account settings and turn on the monetization option. You can then choose the types of ads you want to display on your videos, such as display ads, overlay ads, and skippable video ads. 5. Partner with brands. Another way to make money on YouTube is to partner with brands and companies for sponsored content. This can include product placements, endorsements, and collaborations with brands that align with your content and audience. By partnering with brands, you can earn money through sponsored videos and affiliate marketing. 6. Sell merchandise. If you have a loyal fan base, you can also make money on YouTube by selling merchandise. You can create and sell your own branded merchandise, such as t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases through platforms like Teespring or Merch by Amazon. Promote your merchandise in your videos and on your channel's homepage to drive sales. In conclusion, making money on YouTube requires hard work, dedication, and creativity. By creating high-quality content, building a strong subscriber base, monetizing your videos, partnering with brands, selling merchandise, and engaging with your audience, you can increase your chances of earning a living through your videos. With the right strategy and persistence, you can turn your passion for creating videos into a profitable career on YouTube.